Hello everyone, my name is Lata. Today I'm going to discuss some topics on civil engineering. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Lata. I'm studying my first year BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of CSE Data Science. These are the some topics which are included in my video. First, introduction: what is civil engineering? Scope of different field of civil engineering. Introduction. Civil engineering involves designing physical structures for public and private organizations to enable them to function effectively. It also involves the construction of structures such as buildings, bridges, and roads. Maintenance of a structures is one of the key role of a civil engineering. To civil engineer to ensure the safety and long-term sustainability of the structure. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is the oldest, broadest, and simple of the various engineering field. It is mainly deals with it mainly related to planning, analysis, design, construction, and maintenance of buildings, roads, bridges, dams, tunnels, and other structures by the use of physical laws and mathematical equations and theory of mechanics. These are the some scopes of different field of civil engineering. First, surveying, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulic and water resources, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, construction planning, and project management. What is surveying? Surveying is the technique of determining the relative position of different feature on, above, or beneath the surface of the earth by means of direct or indirect measurements, and finally representing them on a sheet of a paper known as planar map. Surveying is the science and art of making all essential measurements to determine the relative position of a points or physical or and cultural details above, on, or beneath the surface of the earth, and to depict them in a usable form, or to establish the position of points or details. These are the some scopes which are commonly used in surveying, that is chain, tape, compass, auto level, theodolite, total station, GPS, drones. These are the common instruments we used in surveying. Classification of surveying. There are two types in surveying. First one plain surveying and second one geodetic surveying. Plain surveying. In this type of surveying, the effect of curvature of the surface of the earth is not taken into account. Therefore, plain surveying is adopted for small areas, and the degree of accuracy of a plain survey is relatively low. Geodetic surveying. In geodetic surveying, the curvature of the Earth's surface is taken into account. Geodetic survey are carried out for a large distance and area with a high degree of precision. In India, Survey of India, a government department, undertakes the works of geodetic surveying. Next, structural engineering. Structural engineering is a branch of civil engineering that is concerned with the structural designs of man made structures. For example, load acting on the structure is ultimately transferred to a ground through beams, column, foundation, etc. When the load acts on the structure, the various components are subjected to internal stresses. These are the some use of structural engineering. Analysis and design of dams, bridges, stadium, auditoriums, multi-storied buildings. Analysis and design of power generation stations. Analysis and design of steel industrial structures. And also in design of nuclear power plants, design of structural reinforcement for different type of structural components. Next, geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is an area of civil engineering that focus on engineering behavior of earth materials using the principles of soil and rock mechanics. This subdiscipline of geological engineering uses knowledge of geology, geophysical physics, hydrology, and more. It mainly deals with the study of soil, its types of soil, and their properties. Soil property may changes from place to place, depth to depth even in the same place, season to season. These are the some uses of geotechnical engineering to access the quality and strength of the soil or rock to construct civil engineering structures, to design retaining walls for soil retirement, to decide type of foundations for different type of structures, for design of underground structures such as tunnels, shafts, design of earthen dams for storage of water, for the design of roads for transportation facilities. Next, hydraulic and water resources. First, hydraulic. Hydraulic engineering consists of a application of fluid mechanics to water flowing in an isolated environment like pipe and pump, or in an open channel like river and lake and oceans. Water resources. Water resources engineering is the quantitative study of hydraulic cycle, the distribution and circulation of water linking the Earth's atmosphere, land, and oceans. Applications include the design of hydraulic structures such as sewage conduits, dams, and breakwaters, the management of waterways such as erosion protection and flood protection, and environmental management such as prediction of the mixing and transport of pollution in surface water. Next, transportation engineering. Transportation engineering or transport engineering is the application of technology and scientific principle to the planning, functional designs, operation, and management of facilities for any mode of transportation in order to provide for the safe, efficient, rapid, comfortable, convenient, economical, and environmentally compatible movement of people and goods transport. The planning aspects of transportation engineering relate to elements of urban planning and involve technical forecasting, decision, and political factors. Environmental engineering. Environmental engineering applies scientific and engineering principle to improve and maintain the environment, to protect human health, protect nature's beneficial ecosystem, and improve environmental related eco movement, enhancement of the quality of human life. Environmental engineer devise solution for wastewater management, water and air pollution control, recycling, waste disposal, and public health. These are the some following are the scopes of environmental engineering. Involves collection of water, purification and supply for drinking, wastewater collection, treatment and disposal, air pollution control and treatment, solid waste management and control, e-waste management control and treatment, construction waste management and control. Last one, construction planning and project management. Construction planning, it deals with a different type of construction of structures like buildings, roads, bridges, etc. Construction of underground tunnels using modern equipments. Construction of floating structures. Earlier days, there is no equipments and machines in construction. Earlier days, only manpower is utilized for construction, but development of a new technology, that is manufacture of new machineries like cranes to lift weight, painting machines, painting machines and plastering machines, concrete or tar laying machines have made the construction easy and faster. Project management, planning for construction equipment and machinery for construction project, deals with planning, schedule and execution of construction activity related to a project. These are the some topics which I wanted to discuss. Thank you for watching my presentation.